So let's try to understand what is malware analysis. The term actually tells a lot, and the main intention of analyzing a malware is to investigate and to get the signatures of the malwares. As I told you in the intro video, the signatures are basically hash values which are used in the database by antiviruses or anti-malware softwares to detect malwares, and the main aim is to check how the malware spreads, the functionality, how much damage it will do, and in the end we have to take the signatures and submit it to the responsible anti-malware software that we are working for. And in my next video we'll be talking about types of malware